Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making turkey legs with a delicious brown sugar cranberry sauce. So we're going to start off by making the cranberry sauce. This cranberry sauce is perfect for not only your turkey legs, but it goes great with ham. We're going to add some brown sugar. I'm going to say about a half a cup. The brown sugar gives the cranberry sauce a brown tint. Let's add a little bit more. We added a little bit more brown sugar to get a little bit more of the brown tint to the cranberry sauce. So now we're going to add just a little bit of pineapple juice. Just to give it that twang we're looking for. This is the consistency you're looking for. You don't want it to be too runny. So this is about a 1/4 cup of melted butter. We're going to add some Cajun seasoning salt to it. Onion powder, and some Cayenne Pepper. Want to give it a good mix. And we're going to take the turkey leg and just spread the butter on the turkey legs. just like so. Add a little bit more Cajun seasoning on the turkey legs. So now we're just going to wrap each one individually. So it's been a little over 3 hours. I just took it out of the oven. And as you can see, it's nice and tender, falling off the bone. And very juicy. Oh, and it smells so good. Let's turn this over so you can really see what we're dealing with here. Okay, look at that. Look at that. So after about a little over 3 hours, it's done.